Okay, so mga boss, ngayon alamin pa rin natin yung mga costumes dyan sa may Camp Suki. Makakasama natin si Joe Tamesis dito lamang sa Joe on the Go.
And of course, makakasama natin ngayon ang owner and designer ng Camp Suki, Mr. Lito Perez. Good morning, Sir Lito.
Hello. Hi, Joe.
Okay, so sir, kailan ba nag-start itong Camp Suki?
Well, actually, we've been in the business around mga 33 years, more or less. Late 70s, actually mga 79, 1980, dyan nag-umpisa yan. Although I started as a regular designer, hindi pa costume din. Then we put in the costumes mga 1983.
What made you decide to get into the costume industry?
The one who gave me the idea was a customer of mine. Her daughter was invited to become a sagala in a Flores de Mayo. But she didn't want to spend. Kasi at that time, need to order lahat eh. Eh sabi niya sa akin, pwede ba mag-rent na lang daw siya? Naisip ko, nagpa-rent ako. Costume parties. I started with that and then I started making. And the first thing I did was, we put it in the yellow pages. So that's how I found out merong market.
Okay, so sir, yung mga costume natin, usually saan siya gawa?
There are different kinds of materials depending on the costume. Merong indigenous, merong regular, merong unusual na rubberized.
Where do you get the idea for your costumes?
Number one, from history. Malakas ang aming stock sa historical costumes. Greek era, Roman era, hanggang 20th century, mga 1930s, 40s, 50s, meron kami.
Nakikita ko meron din kayo dito na mga medyo modern, yung may Captain America, may Wolverine. Minsan ba meron din mga customer na papasok tapos sila yung magsasabi na meron kayong gantong costume, meron mga ganon. Tapos gagawin niya para sa kanila?
Yes, we do that as a special treat to our customers. Lalo na kung wala naman kami nung hinahanap nila and we believe na it's going to be sellable and rentable. We are willing to make it and for the customer made to measure and then irerentahan lang nila.
Usually, gaano katagal bago matapos ang isang costume? Let's say, etong nasa likod ko.
Minimum of 1 week to 10 days.
Ito mga headdress. For example, itong sinuot ko kanina na lion. How long did it take you to do this?
So it takes us mga 3-4 days for like this.
And yung rent, usually pag hiniram, kailan dapat ibalik?
Well, our rental fee is good for 3 days. It ranges from 850 and up plus 1,000 security deposit. But the security deposit is refundable.
So sir, baka meron tayong mga boss dyan na naghahanap ng mga costumes, lalo na ngayon mag-Halloween na. Saan ba matatagpuan ang inyong shop?
Well, we are located at 786 Aurora Boulevard, Cubao, Quezon City. This is our new address. We are very near Betty Gobel Monte Station, 2 streets away.
Ayan mga boss, so nalalapit na nga ang trick or treat season at syempre Christmas party. Sa mga magsusuot dyan ng costume, pwede kayong pumunta dito. Ito pong muli si Joe Tamesis, back to studio.
At Carla, alam mo ba, pupunta rin tayo dyan sa may Camp Suki pag malapit na yung November 1 para mamili tayo ng ating mga costume.
Pero may naisip ka na bang costume?
Parang gusto ko yung Iron Man.
Bagay.
Parang tagog-tago.
Ayaw mo ng Captain Barbell?
Ay, ako, bakat eh. Ang dibdib eh.
Okay.